First of all, I want to thank you for volunteering to work in the 4-H Cafe as a cashier. This short video is going to show you how to run the cafe cash register. It is very simple, so I think that you'll find it very intuitive and easy, but if you do need help, make sure that you ask the manager or 4-H staff for it. If when you get there, the cash register program is not open, it is the squared one, so you can click that icon and it will take a second to open up. It's going to show you that the stand is connected. It flashed real quick there, and then you're going to be on the screen. The first thing that you're going to do at the beginning of your shift is you should have a envelope of change that's $200. You also need to open your cash drawer. So if you click on this more at the bottom, the right hand, and go to reports, and then you're going to click start drawer. It does say there that you have $200 to begin with, so you can hit that twice. It confirms that your drawer is open. Then to go ahead and start placing orders, you're going to hit checkout in the bottom left. And this one is breakfast, so I'll start by showing you that. You're either going to use breakfast or lunch and supper, which is the tab up here. Those are the two that you'll need. You won't need to scroll between anything else. You can see on the breakfast one, the top row are all of the items that we serve food-wise. 4-H special, which you can just ignore. All of the beverages, followed by desserts and the coupons. To place an order, all you need to do is select the item. You're going to see real quick, it's going to say added, and you'll see it shows up on the right. And you will do that for as many food items as are part of the order and beverages. When you get all done, all you're going to do is you're going to click this charge blue button here. It'll tell you how much they owe. It tells in this case that they owe $10.50. So then you just select how they paid, whether it's exact change or 11 or 15 or 20, you can see. So I'm going to select 15. It's going to tell you that you need $4.50 change to give them, and we don't have a printer, so it's always going to be no receipt. And that's what it looks like. The cash drawer will not automatically pop open at this time because we don't have a working printer, so you will need to turn the key in the cash register just to the left. It's super easy in the cash drawer, and when it is your shift, you can either leave that open the entire shift and just like have it most of the way shut in between orders, or you can open and close it each time, whatever works for you. The biggest thing is when you do leave your station for any reason, please make sure that you are shutting and locking that drawer when you are not there. To place another order, you just hit the new sale up in the left hand. I'll show you the lunch supper menu now. So you can see there, the top row are all of the main dish items that we serve, and then our two sides are French fries and mashed potatoes. That is followed by all of the desserts, the 4-H special button, all of the beverages, and then your coupon. So same process is the breakfast one. In this situation, we're going to pretend that we have two 4-Hers that are going to get a 4-H special. So we click 4-H special, and we're going to say that they have hot dogs and that we had two of them. So you just can change that quantity, and then you hit add. We're also going to say that we have an adult who is going to have a cheeseburger, and regular means just the sandwich. With fries, obviously, is with fries, right? So I'm going to select that and add that to the cart. Also going to show you how to do a coupon. So if you go to discounts here, you'll see all of the coupons. We have three different ones. We have an auction bidder, which is for pie and ice cream. We have a Fair Board one, which is a $5 coupon that the Fair Board gives away however they choose. And then there's also the worker coupon, which is $2.50. And you'll see it says like ×1, ×2, ×3. That's just the number of coupons. So I'm going to say that with these two 4-H specials that I have two work coupons. So if I select that, it'll show that discount there on the right. The reason that we have ×1, ×2, and ×3 on coupons is that the system does not allow us to select the same coupon more than once. So having them that way allows you to do up to 6 coupons of the same kind if you needed it. And then when you get all done ordering, you're going to hit pay or charge again. You're going to select the amount. This time, let's say they paid with $13. So they get 50 cents change. And again, no receipt. You put the money in the cash drawer, give them their change. So that's what ordering looks like. If you have anyone who needs for some reason, a refund, there's two ways to do that. One is in the system. The other one is in the cashier binder. My preference is that you do it in the system if you're comfortable. So to do that, if you click on transactions here at the bottom, it will show you all of the orders. And hopefully it's somebody you just rang up recently, so it's easy to find. In my case, I'm going to pretend that we're going to give a refund on our caramel roll. We're going to pretend that it was hard, right? And they didn't like it. So to issue the refund, we hit issue refund, and then you select the item for the order. So we're going to say caramel roll and next. And then there's you have to give the reason. So there's really 3 reasons that we would potentially do that. One is return good. So they didn't like it for whatever reason. Their burger was cold, whatever. The next was accidental charge. So if you accidentally rang something up and didn't notice it, that they didn't order. And then the last one we might use is canceled order, which means maybe someone got impatient waiting and they wanted a refund. So we're going to say returned good since it was a hard caramel roll. And refund, it will tell you that you're refunding $3. You're going to give them that change, and then you're done. And then to get back to ordering again, you simply click on checkout at the bottom left, and it gives you your order stuff again. If you are not comfortable with doing a refund in the system, you can also use in the binder, there is this refund log. You can use that, and you simply just write what it was for, the item, and why. And then we know at the end of the shift when we're balancing things that you should be short on money for that reason. So that's kind of what that looks like. When you get all done with your shift, you're going to take and you're going to close your drawer. So if you go down here to more on the bottom right and go reports and then end drawer, you can see it tells you how much money should be in there. You don't need to enter anything in for actual in the drawer or drawer description because you don't need to count any money or any of that. The system will tell me when you close your drawer and I'll be able to tell from that based on what shift you worked. So you're going to end drawer, hit it twice. It tells you your drawer is ended. Then the next cashier will come in with their new starting change of $200 and they'll open the drawer. All right, so I want to talk through here a little bit the items that you're going to find in this 4-H cashier information binder. So this is going to be found underneath where the cafe cash register is. In there, a couple important things. One is a list of what change should be in the change bag. So there's $900 in the change bag, and whenever you need this change, make sure that you're taking big bills out of your drawer and buying the smaller money with it. And at the end of your shift, please buy it back. So take the large bills that you put into the change bag, change them out for smaller money so that the next shift has the small change that they need. Otherwise, they're going to be frustrated with you. So that's one thing. Another thing in there is a cafe cashier user guide that walks you through some of the things in the cafe cash register that you might use. Each day also has a little folder like this in there. It has a tab on that says Thursday or Friday, whatever your day is. Inside of there is your refund log, but also you will find a money bag like this that you can see has your date and your time of your shift. Put all of your cafe coupons and your money in there, seal it up, and give it to the give it to the manager at the end of the shift, and they'll lock it up in the safe. Also in there, if you are the last shift of the day, there is a tips bag. There it is. You can go ahead and put all of the tips and stuff from the the money jar in there, and then we'll have that also for your day. So that is essentially what you need to know. When you are doing your cashiering, please note that if someone gives you a coupon and their total of their order is less than the coupon, we don't give any change out. So you can just know, like, so say they have a worker coupon for $2.50, but their meal only costs, or their beverage only costs $1.50, they don't get that dollar back. They just lose that change. So, so please note that and make sure that the customer understands that when you get all done. Otherwise, just use your best judgment. We know that you're volunteers, so do the best that you can. And if you have questions, make sure you ask the cafe manager or ask 4-H staff, and we will do our best to be able to help you. With that, again, I want to thank you for volunteering to work as cashier, and I hope that you enjoyed the fair.